Hello friends, welcome to Tech Random Videos. Today let's see how to send text through Selenium to a text box in a page. Um, okay. If you want to know how to set up Selenium, just refer to my previous video. I'm going ahead today. I gave a URL. Let's fill up this box with my mail ID. For that, you need to send keys. You need to send the text string of letters through Selenium. That too will be like driver dot find element. There are two ways. By using ID you can send, or either by using export. In export there are two ways to get it. One is relative and one is absolute. Let's see in detail in my future videos. A.export. Now I am going to use the relative export. I will show you how to take the export. Okay. This will take a string argument. Just keep your cursor here and right click, go to inspect. Here, there you go. Email. It is an input type which is email. We are going to make use of it. For relative export, we should start with a double / and the tag name. Then at which attribute you are going to use, you need to mention that. Here I am going to use type is equal to single quotes. Within single quotes you need to give that name, email. Okay. After that you need to send the value, send keys. It will also take a string parameter which is going to be my mail ID. There you go. Once it is done, I am going to close the instance, driver instance, just driver.close. That's it. Okay, let's go ahead and run this as a Java application. Yes, there you go. You should, so that my mail ID got filled in automatically. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel